Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. So, the Apple event is done it, and Apple unveiled new iPad Air with A14 Bionic chipset, refresh entry level iPad 2. So the first we're talking about, let's start with the new iPad Air. It has a fresh design which is clearly inspired by iPad Pro line. The screen bezels are smaller, the port in USB-C and not lighting anymore, and you get a 20-watt charger in the box. The tablet has the same footprint as its predecessor, but because of the smaller bezel, it now has a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with 2360 by 1640 resolution. Touch ID is integrated into the new top mounted power button. The new iPad Air is powered by the latest Apple new A14 Bionic chipset, which is also expected to feature in the upcoming iPhone 12 family when it launched later this year. The A14 is built on a 5 nanometer process, and it is the first in the industry to reach that milestone. It has a 6-core CPU design with 2 high performance cores, and fourth high efficiency core's performance is improved by 40% compared to the previous iPad Air. The GPU is 30% more faster. On the rear, there is the same camera as on the iPad Pro model, a 12 megapixel shooter with f1.8 aperture, support for 4K video recording at 60 fps, 240 fps slow motion, and improved video stabilization. For a selfie, you get a 7 megapixel camera in the front with f2.0 aperture and 1080p video at 60 fps. The tablet has Wi-Fi 6 on board, dual speaker, and support for Apple Pencil, which attaches magnetically to the side of the pairing. Charging and storage, Apple will also offer floating keyboard case for it. The new iPad Air running iPad OS 14 will be available next month in a silver, space gray, rose gold, green, and sky blue, starting at $599 with a Wi-Fi only, or $729 Wi-Fi plus cellular. With 64 gigabytes of storage, it will also has be offered with 256 gigabytes of storage at $749 and $879 respectively. iPad 8th generation, the new entry level 8th generation iPad 2020 now has the A12 Bionic chipset at the Helium with its 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU. Otherwise, the tablet is exactly the same its predecessor. 10.2-inch display and big bezels include. The price has stayed the same to $329 for the Wi-Fi only model and $459 for the Wi-Fi and cellular network. At this price, you were only getting 32 gigs of storage. There is 128 gig of configuration for $429 and $559. Pre-orders start today, and the 8th generation iPad will be available this Friday in a silver, space gray, and gold color. So guys, this is the latest launch event report. They launched the iPad Air and iPad 8 generation. So we will see the Apple iPhone 12 series in next week or maybe next month. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.